Tíomh fáistí agus fáilte chuig de ceacht Gaeilge iniu an déirdín agus tá sé fós a chuirsneachta. Tá méid de déanamh an rank iniu ar leathnach céad trocha is a trí. We're doing about France. Just a little thing just to kind of let you know. In Irish, we put words into groups, whether they're feminine words or masculine words. Most countries in Ireland, as in most countries in Irish, are counted as being feminine words, apart from England, Sasana. But a lot of them, Canada is masculine too, but a lot of them, the majority are feminine. So what does that mean? It means that if the word on comes in front of them, if you can put a H in, you do. That's why we've put a H in here, on rank. And I'm not pronouncing the FH because it's like a silent thing in Irish, so I just go straight to the R-A-I-N-C, on rank. On rank. So just something to keep in mind, especially going into secondary school, if the word on comes in front of a country in Irish, 9 times out of 10 you have to put a H into that country's name if you can. Okay, just something to think of. So tá an ranks in Europe, France is in Europe, is Tír Mhór I. It is a big country, and if you see here it's E, meaning like it's a feminine E, like she is a big country. It's not A from a boy, so it's definitely a feminine word. Is Tír Mhór I. Coníonn seasca is the 7 milliún duine sa rank, Laurian muintir na Franca Frankish. So coníonn is the verb to live. So it's in the present because it's tá and it's coníonn. 67 million people live in France. The population or the people of France speak French. Laurian muintir na Franca Frankish. Buscat 3. Tá bratach na Franca, gurum, bon agus jarug. The French flag, bratach na Franca, it's gurum, bon agus jarug. Tain a lán daoine go dtí an rank ar leitheanta sira. So a lot of people, a lán daoine, tain, they go dtí to France for their holidays. Tain siad go dtí an trá in neisceart na Franca. They go, siad being they, to the beach in Neisceart an Ranca in the south of France. So like Cannes and Nice, those places that we can dream about sometime in the future going to. So tain siad go dtí an trá in Neisceart na Franca in the south of France. They go. It's not chuig, it's not that they went, it's tain, they go. Tain daoine ag sciáil sna sléifte freisin, bíonn sneachta ar na halpa i gcónaí. People go, daoine, people go ag sciáil, well, I think it sounds the same, skiing, sna sléifte, in the mountains, plural. Not sa slieve, not in the mountain, it's sna sléifte, in the mountains as well. Bíonn sneachta ar na halpa i gcónaí. There is snow on the Alps, i gcónaí always. Is a Paris príomhchathair na Franca. Now, we say a here, just to draw your attention to that. We're not saying is e Paris, it's a Paris príomhchathair. So that makes me know that the word chathair, which means city, is a masculine word because it's going with a, like the boys thing. Is a Donal, is e Josie. So is a Paris príomhchathair na Franca. Paris is the príomhchathair, like the main city, or that's how you say it in Irish, but capital city of France. Tá Tour Eiffel I lár na Cathrach. The Eiffel Tower, Tour Eiffel, is I lár in the middle na Cathrach of the city. So it's the príomhchathair, it's the main city, the capital city, and the Eiffel Tower is in the centre. Is má le muintir na Franca bheith ag ithe las muoi. Is má le, they like, muintir na Franca, the French people, the muintir, the people, like to eat bheith ag ithe las muoi, outside. Is bra leo cáis, they like cheese. Is má leo fian freisin, they like wine also. Uaireanta, so sometimes. Ihin siad shelada or sheladí. Sometimes they eat snails. So caithfid in the fragger or na ceisne seo a ragart. Cá will an rank. Where is it? What continent? It's not North America, not South America. So tá an rank san Europe. Iwer do an tír mhórí tá an fragger in Muscat hain freisin. Answer in Muscat hain. An mó duine a choníonn sa rank. So how many people? And again, it's an seo. Even the structure is an seo, the structure. Choníonn 67 milliún duine sa rank. Cén dá atá ar bhratach na Franca, so na daithne, tá bratach na Franca agus. Cad é príomhchathair na Franca. This is an seo, the main capital city. Is é, cad é, so is é Paris. Iver seach, or sé, cad déan daoine ag scial sa rank. So where do people go to ski in France? So it's an seo. Cá bhfuil túr Eiffel, an seo. Cad ihin muintir na Franca, an seo. And then they're just taking the verb to eat, which is I. That's the root verb, ith, I. In the past, because it starts with a vowel, we put a D on it, so it's D. In the present, we take the D off and we add E-A-N-N. It's E because the last vowel here is quail, so quail a quail. I-T-H-E-A-N-N. Ihin. That's to eat. And then in the future, Iasfi. It's one of those ones that is irregular. And I sent a poster of those, the 11 irregular. So it looks completely different from past to present to future. Most verbs will look the same-ish. So, de in the past, I ate. Ihin, I eat. Isfi, I will eat. De, she, shelada, and she ate a snail yesterday. Ihin, she, shelada, gachlaw. She eats a snail every day. Isfi, she, shelada, amorach. She will eat a snail tomorrow. So you have to look at the word for yesterday, every day, tomorrow. Tomorrow, yesterday, every day, and go back and check, well, which version of the verb am I using to fill in? So it's a nye here, here's a nye here, de she caught a nye. Tásúlagam gohfuil sé seo saléir. I hope it's clear, because, you know, tá isagam gohfuil na bríthre jacker agus cinál costasach. I know that the verbs are sometimes hard and sometimes complicated, but it's these 11 verbs that we've just happened to do page after page. It's these 11 that are particularly hard. But you can keep those posters in front of you or open them up in a tab on your computer and check back. But it's just there for you as well. And the key words you need to remember is a is yesterday, so that means past. Gachlaw, every day, present. Amorach means tomorrow, so it's the future. And the cúpla ceisina faoi. Sin é, slán agus beannacht.